In a windswept workshop by the Fjord, a master blacksmith forges iron with patient, almost meditative rhythm. He preserves a centuries-old technique, from hand-wrapped flared anvils to coal-fired forges, shaping tools that hum with history. Each piece tells a story of community, from the ferry bell that calls villagers to work to the knives used in fishermen's daily tasks. Through patient explanation, he shares lessons on heat, hammer, and patience, revealing how tradition survives through daily practice. The episode ends with a quiet promise that skill, kinship, and curiosity keep ancient crafts alive for generations.